Because we're doing a show called Hanging with the Real Farmers. But my grandmother used to farm. But I've never seen, okay. One other woman farm. So how is it different for you as a female?
Yeah, all right, man.
How old are you?
52.
How long you been farming?
Farming in the 80s.
80s? Who teach you? Your
grandparents, them.
So where you plant? Everything?
Every little thing, yam, peas, them, everything.
Are you a Carlo this?
Yeah.
But this good car, the bug bite it. So you don't use no pesticide?
No, I don't chemical go on it. Just wash. When I use it, I just put the salt on it and wash it.
So your thing real? You don't use chemical on your bush?
No chemical on your bush.
Use chemical when I really bad color, like all the color you make it go out. You carve the worm because you can't see the worm, everything have that in it.
So how big is your land?
Land.
20 acre, 10 acre?
I read so much.
So you get up at what, 4?
I got 3 acres land. I eat between me and him.
Okay. Cousin?
Brother and sister people.
Okay.
So we just share the place, our parents' place, we just share the plant.
You see something where you send to come give me?
Can, any good thing with it. We just go.
The men them...
Oh, mix up boy that we use CD, man.
Which one? Yeah, you're one that.
That is a mixer board. Is a mixer board that we use CD.
Oh, the man them treat you differently. Them treat you differently. You never have to run the man out of your field.
No, sir, I don't run nobody no trouble. Boy, I want man to work sometime, dig the yam, you know?
Yeah.
Otherwise.
So equality across the board.
No problem. No thief, no trouble.
No.
You can't no problem.
Wow, it's such good for so now keep up the tradition. What do you find hard about farming?
I find no hard.
Nothing hard. You love it?
Yeah, man, I just love it.
I grew up in there.
I'm growing it. Say, come nothing to me. Just me work that.
Come like just come back here.
Come like you know that go to one factory and I work. Same way.
With a year thing?
With my team.
So you guys travel, like, when you go to the beach, like you want a little vacation, you don't go to the beach? Which part?
Go town, go Hillshire.
Yeah?
I'm going to the town, go spend time with the peer people. We have people all about, you know.
They come up with a chip, you got nigga, they go. Or you want to go Ochi, or depends where they go. Pay up here and gone. Or you got man to take one bus and you're gone, and tomorrow you come up back. So you go.
So how often you take vacation, like rest?
I say mostly August.
Christmas.
Christmas? You go with your family?
Yeah.
You have kids?
Yeah, man.
How many?
3.
And them older now? Them live at your house?
2 live with me and one Canada.
So them Baba they attack with them, yeah, that's right.
Yes, it's 2 down there.
Baba they attack with them, son of man. Baba they tell you they walk.
Me get down there, so you know, just down there, so me
and then you walk side that way, the 2 of them, they go up to your place, you know.
Are you also?
Yes, me and my father.
Oh, yes.
And then if his mother, his granny, so we see granny, grandparents' place. My father built a house there, and him live up.
So give me your name again. Everton and
Joan.
Nice to meet you guys again. Montague. Wow. Okay, so you're also so. But me never see you because your house I walk.
Yo, turn up your sausage. We turn up your sausage over and send take up to the neck. Right, so we turn up your sausage. And I think out there on the land up turning them there so. If you were drunk. So I turn out your clear, I say, book!
The echo now move their income, not away. When you go there, you know the same thing. Rasta man.
Yeah, Sparrow. Make a run out. Alright, me sooner or later, here. Sparrow the king, walk on. You know somebody come back in. Yeah man, you know somebody there, watch it. Me there man. Yeah man. Good for the eye. Give thanks. Sugar see. Alright, my
Never
lord.
know see you the boat, man.
Good to see you, man. Make just come
You
in.
just come in.
About 2 days ago.
Oh, yeah, I say.
Come to see you, I'm pass you and hear you.
Yeah.
Alright, but you never listen me, you know?
Never see your Rasta.
Yeah, man. You still play the music, them?
Oh,
You
yeah,
never
man.
send some music, you left some USB for you.
Yes, man.
Them wicked.
Oh, yeah, man.
Good to see you. How's the health?
Well, not that good, but give God thanks. Here's a,
Yeah.
I still above, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I still above. Still above.
Yeah, man. Good to see you, cause...
Glad to see you, man.
Yeah, man, but then I'm gonna bring some more music, you
What do you
know?
mean? Right down, you know?
You have some herbs.
Yeah.
I think,
I'm going to run out that jar of community.
hey, I said I'm going to bring up some come give you from the west, you know?
Yeah,
I have some from the west.
yeah,
So I'm going to go give you some.
yeah.
You see
The
me?
best of them nice, you know, that.
Yeah, man.
How
Yeah,
way
man.
I talk to man, the best of them come out of here when I listen, you know, man.
Just say I know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I do right. But yeah, man, I'm going to check you for a second.
Alright.
You see me? Hold tight. So we're
Alright,
going
you
to
take care of yourself.
give thanks, my lord.
Yes, man.
I'll bring the
Glad
music
to
come
see you.
here, you know.
Glad to see you, man.
All right. Later.
Alright.
That's how we live good life, Jamaica. You see? Now I forgot buy some more bulla, you know. Cause I'm gonna peer. Hey, you know the last time I come you did have more smile on your face, you know. No camera look for you. I'll go pick up my clothes, you know. See? Get a bulla and I'll get some for you. Back at the house. Get a red stripe for the people. Come on. I walk down, I follow him down, interview him, check out him, peer tree and everything. And next thing I walk down, then I see Pops, I fix him van again. Alternator thing. No. Eh? You go up a Sparrow?
Up there.
Up at the top, you look for me?
Yeah, me go up there. Get lime and something.
Up at top of the church?
Yes.
You get lime?
Yes.
You gonna make? How only 2 you get? How much you get?
Pocket for the man.
You see, say them things are good because you catch a thing, them man.
By the board.
Yes.
Oh.
So you know, some down there, I see two farmers come and buy them a beer and thing, and you know, you interview them. A woman farmer, I say, you know, I'm love to see the woman them a farmer. So now I'm a bulla. I forget a peer. And it's nice, man. The life nice. You see me, Manchester. This is a life that's so nice, man. Give thanks, man. You gotta make some lemonade. And your vice, right? Give thanks. Yeah, man. The life good. And then Pops I tell me, say them deliver everything on here, so everything. If you need cement, them will deliver right at your door. Junior them have a delivery service. So basically, it look a bit more expensive, but okay. Like $50 for the delivery. But it don't look like it's gonna rain today. What time it start rain? Bread from young this one. So you don't plant enough mint? Jenny plant all of the plant them, you know. The plant them for the new moon. See mama here there. Flowers and everything. Huh? Come on. What is that? my shirt right before Jamaica one night. Red stripe, I will look up it time tonight. Yes. I'm have my bulla. In a Manchester appeared upon tree before. Bed van gone. I'm phone them. I'm a song else and just take the sun in. Then I go for some sugar. Well, that's a tank water. This is the easy life, you know? This is what we call Mount Zion. You don't worry about nothing, so just plant a phone. And ease yourself, you know? Welcome to Mount Zion. That's a peace and tranquility. Anybody steal anything around here, get chopped up. You have to run from yourself. In Mount Zion, we have fruits on the tree. There's abundance of food. There's peace and tranquility. There's water too, you know. But a lot of love and care. Life is very slow. It's good to visit. Sooner or later, love, light, and happiness. Where you coming from? Where you coming from? Why are you wearing your father's shoes? No school today? Today's what day? What day is today? Huh? What day is today? What day is today? Why is there no school today? Talk to me. Huh? Morning, Jamaica. Now, early morning. We're going to bush, Baba. Blessings to everyone. Look at that dog over here, so watch me and him. I'm going to kick him in the face. I have my water, my cameras and everything. I do this. See my mountain there, no? Yeah. Yeah. No tea yet. Maybe Baba make tea. After soldier, I took put the sneakers, I will put the sweatpants in the socks, you know, and tighten up the sneakers. Cause the ticks them over there, you know, so I have to watch out for ticks. And when in the beard, I have to put the person in the water. Because the grass lies them there. So as beautiful as this is, it has its little things, you know. Bob! Oh, if you know that already. Baba, my God. Baba! Not too much of Baba left me. Baba! Alright, Baba did it. Good. Morning, sir. Yeah, worst, make sure you don't left me.
I breakfast, man, look at the cut out.
Yeah, good thing we catch you. Ready. Let's see, I make the dinner. I get the dinner, man.
You get the dinner last night?
Yes, I.
Okay, alright. So that one now we're saying. I'll fry some breadfruit.
Yeah, you roast it?
Yeah, man. I roast breadfruit stack for it in the fridge, man.
We'll eat it with coffee.
See coffee? Yeah?
Coffee ready.
Yeah,
Nice. Planting ready.
And then we put it with 2 sardines.
Sardine this morning.
Yeah, man.
You have them, right?
Yeah, man.
Onion.
Yeah. They not get it last night in ice thing.
You put sardine in there?
Yes, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. I put the sardine in the vegetable last night.
Okay, you know, so we have to eat healthy.
Mm-hmm.
So what did you do at Bush yesterday?
So, body of me have their plant.
Bad yam? So what are you doing today?
Same thing me I go work on.
Bad yam?
Yeah, and them fish, whisk up on dirt, man.
Okay.
So me mean when me say bad. Then whistle. So you're weird. You want to have a cup of coffee meanwhile?
Oh, that'll be nice. Thank you.
Then whistle. So me have to take time and pull them out.
When you say whisk up, what do you mean?
They run like finance to over the road over there, so. And they not plant.
They're not plant yet.
No.
They're sitting down
Yes.
and them start running wild.
And running wild. So they run distant, but they can't cut off back.
So you can't cut it.
And they got yam.
Because if you cut it, then they're
Now
not
go
there.
back again.
Oh. So
Nigga
you
yam
have,
that.
so you have to get the whisk and bring the whisk and wrap it on a stick.
No, me not want to. Yes, me have to move it with the whisper. You will see them when you go for them. So me have to plant them now and then me go a bush and cut the stick and wrap them same time.
Okay, so they
So
were...
the whole of this a week me have work on it.
Okay.
And I just till them.
The bad yams.
Yeah. Just a till it tomorrow and Saturday.
Yes.
So when you are going to Kingston with the food? Can I get some mackerel and I shop this
Oh, them sell salt mackerel?
Mm-hmm.
Come I try not eat no meat, you know. Only fish me I start with nowadays.
So me have the fish and now me I go season up.
What fish is that?
It's steamy.
Oh, you bought this?
Yeah man.
What kind of fish is this?
They call them Banga Mary fish, but that's a meat fish.
Banga Mary.
Yeah.
And where do they catch?
Mostly fresh here, we know on board.
Okay, where do they catch these?
We buy it in a supermarket.
Oh,
It's $300 a pound.
$200 a pound. How many pounds you bought?
About 2 weeks now we buy the bone, but we don't eat it often. We eat it once a time because we
But
subsidize
you're a
it.
chicken man.
Eh?
You're a chicken
Me a
man.
chicken man. But me love the fish in the car too, thing, a fish and chicken. But like that now, like when we go to the shop and we buy a big thing, we have maybe 3 times. Because that's just me and Jenny alone now. So we don't cook the whole vast amount. Like we season it up and have it in the fridge. So when you come in, you just take out and make it.
This is what we love. Is this breadfruit from your...
Yes, man, I'm my breadfruit tree.
This is one of my favorite thing in life is fried breadfruit and salt fish and probably ackee, but another favorite of mine is banana fritters.
We don't carry banana fritters.
Ripe banana.
But we don't have the right banana now.
And another favorite of mine is, you know, the sour fish cake with the flour. Sour fish fritters.
Fritters.
Lord God.
Well, we don't can do that when we're ready, man.
Thank you, Baba. So the audience said, thank
Natural
Baba.
coffee, that.
Natural coffee. Let me get the chair. Yes, a lot of people would wish to live with you. No, maybe it's the coffee that's been making me, you know, I got up this morning, don't have a woman beside me, but I felt very strong.
Right.
Like I would destroy something, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you see, what the
It's
coffee
just the coffee that's making me feel so strong.
Yeah, coffee feel energy.
Oh, because I'm saying, why am I getting this strength?
And then the coffee, man. And a natural coffee when we pick off of my tree. I know how to do that. It's a living coffee. Real coffee, I guess.
I was asking myself, what's doing this to
Fast
me?
coffee, see the bag we dry to.
Yeah, and this bag is about 50 years old.
No, man, you just make it about 3 years ago. 3, 4 years ago, man.